11 Investigates team has reported extensively on the 2022 murders of two Toledo teens. 12 people were convicted of taking part in the murders of Kimarian Wilder and Keyshawn Pittman. But two men were sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole.
On Tuesday, an appeals court told Brent Kohlhofer he would not be getting a new trial. Lead investigator Brian Duggar has an update tonight. Brian, this has been a complicated case.
Yeah, it's also been a very complicated decision. On one hand, the appeals court says the trial court made an error. But on the other hand, it says it was a harmless error that would not have changed the jury's decision. Now, at trial, prosecutors said Kohlhofer and his friend Charles Walker picked Kimarian and Keyshawn up from a South Toledo home, killed them, and dumped them in a vacant North Toledo house. But in an appeal to the 6th District Court of Appeals, defense attorneys said a text message from another co-defendant should have been allowed at trial. Now, that message indicated the boys were killed in the South Toledo home before Kohlhofer and Walker could have picked them up. And the appellate court agreed it should have been allowed at trial. But the written decision said it was a harmless error that would not have changed the jury's verdict because of all the other evidence against the men. However, since the May arguments in the 6th District, one of the witnesses against Kohlhofer, Corbin Gingrich, has recanted his testimony, and another man has come forward to say he was at a bar downtown with Walker when the kidnappings took place. Now, I did reach out to the prosecutor's office for a comment. This is one of the most complicated legal cases in years. 12 convictions, multiple deals offered. And prosecutor Julia Bates told me her team has performed exceptionally at every stage of the case. As for Kohlhofer's team, his attorney Brandon Henderson said he was baffled and called the decision a travesty of justice.
Brian, so what is next for Kohlhofer and even Walker? What appeals do they have remaining?
Yeah, Walker's still waiting for a decision from the 6th District. Both men have a motion to have their case dismissed pending still in the Lucas County Common Pleas Court. Now, Kohlhofer can also take this decision to the Ohio Supreme Court, but I know Kohlhofer's team was very hopeful about this appeal, and they are very disappointed, still arguing he had nothing to do with this case. Reporting in studio, this is Brian Duggar for 11 Investigates.